time tembo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebereye kende cyose uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asime ko babwate dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongebere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago na Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green ubutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya ouru superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Korwa suguswa irianyi mocha na bosongo cha butokire chitaika isato igore Chinsa Ibere chabono mugaso Ekeonga asenchira yobonye wisoni makorokora se muno bemanyeriro njengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga kabana intoweka omwero ritko rero muraibensi ya Kenya moske daktari wa Samuel Ruto nigo ara murobiro wokubwatuka chinyomba gochase abanyanyimo bebengi enene ya Central Bank murobiro okorekana ansensemo ya industrial area omochi o Nairobi mwancho mure totagere chingwana na boigo se chingwana cha baraiba as NSMAU.
East Police Housing Complex, a landmark project, and a shining example of what innovative and collaborative partnerships can achieve. This modern complex, comprising 210 fully furnished units, 200 two-bedroom and 10 three-bedroom apartments, will provide dignified, decent, and quality homes for police officers attached to the Central Bank. It marks a significant step towards and forwards in restoring the pride and dignity of our law enforcement officers by granting them access to living conditions befitting the noble role that they play. This project was born of an innovative memorandum of understanding between the Central Bank of Kenya and the National Police Service. Under this arrangement, CBK leased 4.1 acres of land from the National Police Service for 60 years to build this housing complex. In return, CBK committed to constructing the National Police Leadership Academy in Ngong, Kajiado County, a facility I had the honor of commissioning in December 2022 and which is now fully operational, training senior police officers.
This housing structure that you're opening today is giving dignity to the police force. People who we expect, they take care of our lives, they protect us, but we've never accorded them the kind of dignity that they deserve for the work that they do. I want to really congratulate the CBK and the whole fraternity of Treasury for giving back dignity to our police officers, and I think we must do more. Based on your program, Your Excellency, I know that there's more institutional housing for our police officers, for our KDF, because they used to live in tin shacks, nyumba ya mabati. When it is hot, you don't want to be inside there. When it is cold, you don't want to be inside there.
That the complex is not just about housing, it also contains different amenities for the officers and their families, enabling them to entertain and educate themselves as well as keep fit, all within this one location. On behalf of the Central Bank of Kenya, I wish to register my appreciation for the cooperation that we have received from all sections of government in order to bring this project.
Chiribu chia bantu nigo baikiranite ase kanisa ya Catholic Diocese ya Eldoret eri kumurera nabo igo komwa amaskani ya mwero Father Alois Bet oyobete kagwito umutinyi oeta okotongora kubutuki igoro yoboitwe kumusasiroti okwo nigo kwimugetie birengerero anene mono kurwa ase abarai asabo igo abantu bensemeyo bamochigwe igoro yoboitwe kumusasiroti oyu oyikonye okorandia ase ensemeyo.
That we take a violence for 50 years. But now comes a time, especially when the red light was crossed, the killing of the priest. For us, it was really like destroying everything which the church has been doing in Kenya Valley for all these years. If we had done any mistake, then maybe the killing can be justified. But he died like us. Innocent.
Why was Father Alois killed? For what reason? And why like that? Sema ya kwamba tulikuwa tunatarajia by the time tunapumzisha ndugu yetu Padri Alois Cheruiyot, wale majangili waliomuua wakuwa wamewekwa ndani. It is so sad. Tunapoenda kupumzisha padri wetu, hakuna mtu anatuambia kama hawa watu wameshikwa.
Waliuawa haijapita dakika 10 kutoka kwa misa, na hakukuwa porini, alikuwa katikati ya majamii zetu. Kwa hiyo tunajua kati ya hata Wakristo wetu, labda kuna baadhi ya wale walijua ama walipromise ya kwamba within 3 days mwenye aliua Father Alois atapatikana, because ulituliza maswali mbili, nani aliua.
Mwancho umurigerere etoko genda guika ase skuru yobunde yariragia abo ase ritkuria rero aborokwo abo abere bagosoma ase skuru yo bakobekerwa chiguto ase ntunda entangani kegima.
Riraja Technical and Vocational College mbere nomugo komonene gukwariganya asumwega bukobekero kigutwa inaugural graduation entangani kurwa ecology egechaka kwaboro kigwa bari bakorera kikosi cyabo nikitari kisato mutinyu gatanu narimo umwaka yega 2025 kuchakira Chinsa isato ochamambya baganya babo babumba boro N'omugeni manana nigarabe omuwaziri bw'ekisemi omoski Julius Migos Ogamba na boigo omujumbe okitutu cheche North Moski Japheth Nyakundi nikayara kurekana sigeti ge college yo jerira gya technical vocational college inchumwenzi tochingire obubwe bwabo.
Maria Danguru Paul Makori Getembe College ya Riragia Technical and Vocational College ndo bwato moyega graduation ego takoba graduation yite tangani itariki 3 mutini osita mwensi pie asemwabeta banene nabake mwariganiwe nando mugeni karoro bwesiko our honorable Migos Ogamba oyoro mu wasiri oito Kenya wegisemi na ate na bageni bande na omweshimiwa Japheth MP agaiganero na wagakale omwensi mwariganiwe ndiye mono sana karibu.
Riraja Technical and Vocational College mbere nomugo komunene gukwariganya asumwega bukobekera kigutwa inaugural graduation tangani kurwa ecology yegechaka kwa boro kigwa bari bakurira kikosi cyabo n'ikitariki 3 mutinyu gatanu narimo umwaka yega 2025 kuchakira Chinsa isato ochamambya bageni ababo babumba borokore n'umugeni omanana nigarabe omuwaziri bw'ekisemi omoski Julius Migos Ogamba na boigo umujumbe okitutu cheche North Moski Japheth Nyakundi nikayara kurekana sigeti ge college yo jerira gya technical vocational college inchumwensi tochi.
My protocol, Honorable Cabinet Secretary for Education, Honorable Julius Migosi Ogamba, our Member of Parliament, Honorable Japheth Mukaya Nyakundi, mnajua anaitwa Eriso Riabo Getutu. Our esteemed chief guest, the college principal, Mr. Dr. Paul Makori, members of staff, parents, fellow trainees, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. First of all, my name is Philip Onsom Nasa, President of Riragia Technical and Vocational College. It is with great joy and immense pride that I stand before you today on behalf of the graduating class on this historical occasion, the first graduation of our beloved college. Today marks not just the end of one chapter, but the beginning